Hello, team. I wanted to share some things with you, but I am too lazy to write. So it's much easier for me to actually record and speak. Uh, just a couple hours ago, we deployed these tiny changes for login that basically improve a lot the user experience for new users on the Moonling. And since now we are dealing with other communities that gonna use our service like staking or holder verification bot, they need to have seamless user experience over here. Unfortunately, I cannot show you what is the when you first time use it, but basically, user will be prompted to sign in the wallet, and optional is to sign in with the Discord, and he gonna stay on the same page, comparing to the previous user experience where you need to click my account clicking, all of these ugly buttons and so on. Another good thing is, for example, let's say you come here on the staking page, and it's gonna ask you to log in order to see your NFTs in order to stake them, right? So what is a good thing is you're gonna get auto redirect to the page that you previously been once you logged in. So you're not gonna lose the track, especially for the new user. So these tiny little things are improving experience by a lot, especially when you deal with many users. So if I sign in right now, I should be redirected back to the staking page. Actually, I'm using the wrong wallet right now. I'm on the authority. So as you can see, it's gonna ask me instantly because I do not have account right now. It's gonna ask me to link the Discord, which is a good kind of call. Link a wallet and link a Discord, and that's it. You're gonna be ready for Discord bot or for other tools out there. It's optional. You can proceed, to the website. But let me actually connect the right wallet over there. Yeah. So let me do like this. Go to the staking. I'm logged out as you can see, so I'm just gonna log in, sign it wallet, boom, and it's gonna redirect me back. Very nice simple user experience. Also that login page, it's much better than the previous one with those ugly button. And we're gonna introduce the Twitter as well notification. That's something I gonna why we use the Twitter. It's for some experimental tools, which I'm gonna talk about when we actually have some confirmed experiments. We did some work with it, but I'm gonna talk about this actually when we have something solid and tangible. What we also was experimenting for a couple of days and working for some time, and we put this in the on the testing server, and I tested this today. Is ability for this is about the holder verification bot. Is ability that now you can actually add roles based on other collection on your server. So, for example, let's say on our Moonly server, we can say, hey, if the user holding Kaimana, give him Kaimana role, or if the user holding, I don't know, okay, bears, give them, bears role. So you can, kind of tag users so you can know who is who out there. And especially this is good even for upcoming projects when they're kind of filtering who is belonging to what community out there. I remember a lot of manual work in the past was done just because people didn't have this feature. So this is something we're probably going to deploy tomorrow, maybe not even tomorrow, because the team will be on the break for a couple of days because of the holidays. So I think in the next week, beginning of the next week, on Monday, actually, we're going to deploy this new change out there. What else I want to show you? Yeah, something I'm excited about is the the raffle system that we're gonna build, and the new version of staking as a service, which basically will be the mission. So I'm not sure if I should expose all this new stuff out there, but basically this is the Moonly ecosystem, by the way. Or here, I'm not gonna zoom in right now. I'm gonna show you another time. But I'm excited about the raffle system because it's gonna be very flexible. Gonna be adjustable for different types of projects and communities. For people who have staking, um, staking through and the rewards. Some projects will not have a reward. Some project will not have a token. I gain experience talking with dozens of projects in this week. So they give me good feedback and idea what we should build. Basically, you're gonna have a different types of raffle based on stake identity, like we did last week. But I just did manually that, or just based on token buying tickets through the token. You can define one ticket, how many NFTs will be needed for a ticket, participation, automatic panel. I'm not gonna go into details right now about this, um, but here's a good part. Price delivery can be automatic or manual. If it's automatic, it's gonna be automatically sent from the smart contract to the winners. And here you define the prizes. And if you click this button, you basically will be open. I'm talking. This is for admin the settings. So basically, you will be able to select the collections uh, and um, and the NFT and the tokens in the. Let's say he want to give it two NFTs and a little bit of token in as a first prize. So that will be deposited in the smart contract. He will create the raffle, and yeah, people will be able to join and automatically get those stuff. As you can see, there's a couple of different route that the raffle can go. So over here, once again, prize delivery can be automatic manual, participation can be also automatic manual, and raffle type can be in these two options over here. So probably gonna have some more addition to this. But what I'm then even more excited is that we're gonna add this into our staking version 2 for the missions. I'm not gonna zoom in to even talk about these details and expose it, but it's gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna be different to what you see from the staking platforms. It's gonna be very flexible, dynamic. Gonna introduce some new ways of staking. Um, yeah, not gonna talk much, but that is something I wanted to share with you. Let me see if there is something else worth mentioning. Yeah, there's a lot of things that we need to connect. So we build many things. Some of them release, some of them are about to release. What we need to do, there's a one branch on our GitHub repository that we need to kind of merge those stuff and pack it properly, and then um, communicate through the website nicely so people can understand the value that we are providing to them. So through the packages, through the nice visuals, through the landing pages, and all this stuff. So all of these things are raw. A lot of these things are kind of still to be shaped and changed. But this is the beginning. We have, I mean, this is kind of new beginning, and well, with this taking, it gives us a lot of opportunity out there. So I'm really excited about the future of Moonly and what is coming, especially that now we're targeting the projects, and sooner or later we're gonna get some bigger project using our tools, and it's gonna help a lot of Moonly to grow, to expose to a new audience, to users, to buyers, holders, and whatever it's gonna bring the value out there. I also want to remind you once again that our first initial idea was actually to not have any reward for staking, because our priority was actually to release staking for other projects, so they can actually buy 25 of our moonlies, create demand, increase the floor price, so we can actually, you can guys actually gain some value for what you hold, so you can, you know, uh, sell, profit, make some profit out of it, and so on. And that was not planned. Even what you see out there, this reward was not planned. But at some point, I said, okay, I have 600 million sitting on my account. I didn't even profit when it was worth 3.5, a 3.5k dollar. Why not give it away? Basically through the staking reward. Um, but definitely this gonna change. There's a lot of things to be done out there. uh, let's say I'm asking you to be patient. If you cannot patient, I'll understand, but this is the life cycle of when you develop something that actually have a lot of moving part, and it's kind of complex thing, especially when you combine all different things and tools and scrapers and statistics and so many things out there. So this is again a temporary thing. This is not something that I'm kind of, yeah, this is the value you deserve. We either gonna I'm gonna play with the reward, especially for the bonk. I'm gonna increase in probably in upcoming days, maybe two or three, five times, something like that. We'll see. I asked, I reached the bonk guys to ask their Discord, asking for a grant to, if they can actually grant us with 1 billion bonk, so I can reward you here with this. But we're gonna definitely introduce either our token or point system that's gonna be used for raffles and other parts of the application and the ecosystem of the Moonly. We're gonna. I'm also excited that we're gonna build a loots and chest. Opening the chest and getting some extra rewards out there. That's gonna be very fun and gamification part of the Moonly. So a lot of things about to happen, but we just need a time on that. So yeah, I was sitting here. It was also a long day, feeling super tired. I wanted to share something, but again, I just couldn't write all this stuff. So I think if you had reached this video so far, thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any question, if you wanna chat. I like live streams and connect with people. So yeah. Also see you tomorrow in the Twitter Spaces. The Kai will host it. There will be two guests. Hopefully, I will be there as well. So see you guys. Peace.